We need to get rid of those dead skin cells. Yes. Hi everyone, it's Cat Castle. Nice to see you again. And today we will be doing an unboxing of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Yes. And just so you know, the Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a beauty box subscription from the United Kingdom, which is $16 every month, where the box is valued over $62. So without further ado, let's open this beauty. And here she is. Yes. And it actually comes with this magazine that tells us the products that we will get in here. And right at the back of the magazine gives you a little sneak peek for next month's product, and it says what's coming up. Our June box delves into the importance of knowing exactly what's inside our beauty products and the impact this can have on not only our skin but the world around us too. And next month's product is the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk that retails for £8. Yes, so without further ado, let's open this beauty. But I'm looking for the page where it has the products. Yes, and here we go. The first product is the Espa Our Replenishing Eye Moisturizer. It doesn't look like it has that eye moisturizer. I mean, but I actually see a product in here that's not in the magazine, which is the Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream Gel. I guess the show must go on, right? And this one actually gives you a 24 double hydration cream gel, and it also says that it's dermatologically tested, it's clinically tested, and it's made in Italy. There you go. And let's read it. 24-hour double hydration cream gel with a double hydrating effect with macrohyaluronic acid, a pool of natural extracts and moringa oil obtained from certified fair trade cultivations to protect the skin's barrier and maintain optimal moisture levels to the skin. So I'm looking forward to that, though I'm still having quite a mental block because the first product is not what we got. So I don't know. But anyway, we want to stay on the positive side, right? We got a good moisturizer, so let's see the other products in here. Yes. So the next product here is the Peeling Mask Peel Mask E-Cooking. Yes, and here she is. And it says an effective an effective face mask with peeling effects to tighten and smooth your complexion. Its active ingredients rid your skin of dead skin cells and encourages cell production, which over time decreases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Your skin will prickle upon application and may look red after use, and this is completely normal. I guess that is because it has lactic acid, glycolic acid, and squalene. There you go. So looking forward to this mask. I mean, any mask is usually good. So, especially that it's already summer, we need to get rid of those dead skin cells. Yes. So now the next product here is the KW Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. And it says a lightweight, quick absorbing serum formula eye treatment that combines superfood ingredients to create a soothing treatment to defend the delicate eye area against external aggressors. Use regularly to see a visible reduction of signs of aging. And this one has kiwi seed oil, vitamin A, grapefruit, caprylic, and gluconolactone, a PHA. There you go. Let's actually open this beauty. I mean, it's definitely packaged very nicely. And, oh, it's actually sealed, so that's good. So let's open her. And it has kiwi fruit. And look at that. Look at the packaging on the side. It's so pretty. How about you? Do you actually use eye serums? One tip that I will actually give is, if your eye cream is not enough, definitely use an eye serum before your eye cream. It will definitely help. It looks like it's very liquidy, so I don't want to open that yet just because I have so many eye serums. But looking forward to this brand. Yes. So now the next product here is let's see. The number 4 is the Burt's Bees Watermelon Pastek Moisturizing Lip Balm. I myself am actually a very big fan of the Burt's Bees Lip Balm. I actually haven't tried their flavored lip balms yet. And this one actually is formulated to condition and moisturize the lips. And it also says, for a pout that everyone will be buzzing about. And this one also has beeswax and coconut oil. And you know what I'm gonna do with this? Because I've already had this before. I'm going to include it in the birthday giveaway, just so that we can share more love to others. Yes. And now the next product here is the Vintage cosmetic company Silicone Exfoliating Pad. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. And it says, a soft silicone bristle facial pad designed for use with your favorite cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores and remove any dead skin cells. Use regularly to reveal a gorgeous, glowing complexion. Yes, and it says that it's suitable for daily use. As I actually feel it, it actually feels very soft. And it actually has that cute handle in the back. So once you hold it like that, it looks awesome. So looking forward to be using this. Yes! So now the next product here is the... Oh, I guess it's already the final product because we only got 6 products. Is the... This Works Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for Dry Overwashed Hands. Yes. And what is it? An intensely moisturizing hand cream, perfect for replenishing skin after washing or sanitizing. The formula locks in essential hydration and provides fast-acting relief without leaving any sticky residue. Also enriched with the This Works Stress Check fragrance to use to uplift your senses with every use. It also has shea butter, vitamin E, bio boost oil, lavender, and ylang ylang. Let's actually try it. I'm always into hand creams. This one also said that it's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's paraben, phthalate, and sulfate free as well, and it's sealed. So let's open this beauty. So far, I'm really enjoying the UK's Look Fantastic Beauty Box because it's actually brands that I actually haven't seen here in the United States. So here we go. Let's actually lather it. Oh my gosh, I cannot even speak today. It actually gives you that creamy, whippy feel. It's not really super creamy, but let's smell it. And it smells minty. I mean, I actually love my hand cream smelling like that. And it actually says in here that a 98% natural super blend with vitamin E shea butter that will nourish the skin. I mean, so happy about those ingredients. So let me give you a quick summary of everything we got. So we actually got, the first one is the Hydra Memory Cream Gel, which I thought we're gonna get a hand cream. So a little bit sad about that. And we also got the peeling mask. We also got the Burt's Bees Lip Balm that I will put in a giveaway. We also got our KW Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. We also got our Vintage Cosmetic Company Exfoliating Pad, and we also got our hand cream. If you actually ask me, I'm looking forward for using the hand cream, the eye serum, because I'm already turning 42 years old, or I'm already 42 years old, and we already got this exfoliating pad. I think it's been a while that I used an exfoliating pad. So what do you think of this beauty box? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And now it's time to tell you my birthday giveaway. And I'll be having 2 winners for my birthday giveaway. The first one is for a US resident, where you will get a beauty bag with skincare and makeup. And the second winner is from overseas, where I'll be sending you $26. Yes! All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, Alicat Castle. Make sure that you give a like on this video. And also, please make a comment in the comment section below, whatever it is that you want to comment. And please include the city or the country that you're in, just so that I would know for me to put you either in the raffle for the beauty bag or the $26 for our friends overseas, just so that we can actually spread some love to everyone. Yes! And again, this is Alicat Castle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, please consider subscribing as well. And again, always remember, you are beautiful with or without makeup, and I love you very much. See you soon. Bye! That's what happens when you live right next to the street. All these cars. I'll see you again. Bye.